Can I get a new LG TV remote? Yes, you can buy a new LG TV remote, whether you need an original replacement, a universal remote, or an LG Magic Remote. LG remotes are available through official LG retailers, online stores, and electronics shops. If your LG remote is lost or damaged, you can easily find a compatible replacement based on your TV model and features. 1. Where to buy a new LG TV remote? You can purchase an LG TV remote from LG official website and authorized retailers, buy an original LG remote directly from LG's official store. Online marketplaces. Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, eBay, and Target offer genuine LG remotes and universal remotes. Electronics and appliance stores, retailers like Best Buy, Home Depot, and local electronics shops carry LG replacement remotes. LG customer support. Contact LG support with your TV model number to get the correct replacement remote. Second, types of LG TV remotes. Depending on your LG TV model, you can choose from LG Standard Remote, a basic infrared IR remote that works with most LG TVs. LG Magic Remote for smart TVs, a motion-controlled voice-enabled remote with a scroll wheel and app shortcuts. Universal Remote, a third-party remote pre-programmed or customizable for LG TVs. Replacement infrared IR. Remote, generic infrared remotes that work with most LG TVs without pairing. 3. How to pair a new LG remote with your TV. If you buy a Magic Remote or a Bluetooth-enabled remote, follow these steps to pair it. Turn on your LG TV. Point the remote at the TV sensor. Press and hold the home and back buttons for 5 seconds on Magic Remotes. Wait for the TV to detect and pair the remote. For universal remotes, follow the user manual for LG TV programming codes or use auto programming mode. 4. Alternatives. If a replacement remote is unavailable. If you can't find an LG remote, you can. Use the LG ThinQ app. Download the LG ThinQ app, Android.iOS, to control your TV via your phone. Buy a universal remote compatible with LG TVs. Use a streaming device remote if using Roku, Fire Stick, or Apple TV. You can easily buy a replacement LG TV remote from official LG stores, online marketplaces, and electronics retailers. Whether you need an original universal or Magic remote, there are multiple options available to control your LG TV effortlessly.